Do you ever feel like you're trapped in the same routine, with your dreams always just out of reach? Like no matter how hard you work, you're stuck in place. It's frustrating. But what if I told you the key to unlocking those dreams isn't in grinding harder? It's in the power of your mind. Visualization isn't new. Buddha once said, "The mind is everything. What you think, you become." And science is now catching up to what sages knew thousands of years ago. Think of visualization as a secret path through a dense forest, a way to design your future before it even happens. You're the architect, and your dreams are the blueprint. What is visualization? So, what exactly is visualization? It's like directing a movie in your mind where you're the star. It's not just daydreaming. It's creating vivid, detailed images of the life you want. Imagine holding that graduation diploma, feeling the pride, seeing your family smile, or crossing the finish line of a marathon, hearing the cheers, feeling the rush of achievement. But here's the magic. It's not just about seeing it. You need to feel it, believe it. Your brain starts to think, "This feels real." And when your mind believes it, your reality starts to shift. Transform your life through visualization. Want better health? Visualize yourself strong and healthy. Studies show that when you do this, your body responds. Your mind becomes an ally in your fitness journey. Dream of financial freedom? Picture yourself handling money wisely, living comfortably. It's like setting your GPS toward success. The process. How to visualize effectively. Let's break it down. First, create your dream blueprint. Be specific. Instead of, "I want to be happy," ask, "What does happiness look like for me? Is it a fulfilling career? A loving family?" Next, focus on clarity and consistency. The clearer your image, the more real it becomes. And revisit that image daily, like watering a plant. The more you nurture it, the stronger it grows. A quick visualization exercise. Let's try it. Close your eyes. Imagine standing on a snow-covered mountain. Feel the cold air. Hear the crunch of snow beneath your feet. Smell the fresh pine. Your brain believes this scene. This simple exercise trains your mind to create and accept new realities. Why visualization works? Your subconscious mind is the powerhouse behind this. It doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. When you visualize vividly, your subconscious starts aligning your actions with that vision. You'll begin to notice opportunities where you once saw obstacles. People who can help you achieve your dreams will start appearing. Trust the process. Remember, visualization is more than a mental trick. It's a tool for rewiring your reality. Trust the process. Keep painting those vivid dreams. Because when you visualize like this, reality doesn't just shift, it transforms.